Good morning, YouTube. This is going to be a non-official polar bear challenge. Temperature 39.6. So I can get this thing to focus, which for some reason it ain't doing right now. I guess because of low light. Temperature 39.9. That done rose sitting on the bike. I just had the bike running. 39.9. Like I said, a non-official polar bear challenge ride. And my glasses is fogging up like crazy. Put the thermometer back in the back. Go ahead and lock up the back. Put my glove liners back there because they don't work anyway. I gotta go get a set of glove liners like NT8's got. We've been having some warm days, but today ain't gonna be one of them. Today's gonna be kind of a cold shit. Oh, I forgot to do something. Yeah, I did. I forgot to put this up in my helmet. I don't think I can get it in there right now. Maybe I can. No. I can't even think about getting it in there right now, so what we'll do, seeing as I got to stop and get some fuel anyway.